On a bustling afternoon, a young boy entered an ice cream shop, his clothes worn and frayed, a clear indication of his modest means. He approached the counter where Emily, the cashier, was busy handling a steady stream of customers. With a timid voice, the boy asked about the price of chocolate ice cream. Emily, a bit irritated by the interruption, responded curtly, $5. The boy then asked about the price of vanilla ice cream. Emily replied that it was $4. Opting for the more affordable option, the boy requested a cup of vanilla ice cream. Emily, juggling the demands of a crowded shop, eventually brought the boy his ice cream. The boy thanked her softly and took a seat at a small table. He began to enjoy his treat slowly, savoring each bite with visible pleasure. Despite the shop's busyness, he seemed content to take his time, fully appreciating the simple joy of the ice cream. As the minutes passed, the shop became even more crowded. A wealthy family entered looking for a place to sit. With all the tables occupied, Emily told them, "Please wait just a couple of minutes. This child is almost done." She then approached the boy and with a hint of impatience in her voice said, "Hurry up. The shop is packed and we need this table for new customers." Her tone was dismissive, and it was clear she had little patience for the boy, solely because of his shabby appearance. Feeling the pressure, the boy quickly finished his ice cream. Once done, he placed a $5 bill on the table as a tip and quietly exited the shop. Emily, still focused on clearing tables, was taken aback when she discovered the tip left by the boy. It was a generous gesture, especially considering he had chosen to spend less on the vanilla ice cream in order to leave a tip. Emily's heart sank as she realized the significance of the boy's gesture. Her initial judgment and rough treatment of him seemed even more regrettable now. The boy, despite his apparent poverty, had shown a level of generosity that contrasted sharply with her own behavior. Filled with guilt and remorse, Emily decided she needed to find the boy and apologize for her earlier actions. She rushed out of the shop and began searching the nearby streets and alleys, hoping to catch a glimpse of the boy. Days turned into weeks, and Emily's efforts to locate him proved fruitless. The boy never returned to the shop, and Emily was left with a profound sense of regret for not appreciating the boy's kindness in the moment. The experience left a lasting impact on Emily. She had learned a valuable lesson about kindness and humility, understanding that one should never judge others based on their appearance or socioeconomic status. The boy's selfless act of leaving a tip despite his own limited resources served as a powerful reminder of the importance of treating everyone with respect and compassion. Emily's remorse and the lessons she learned remained with her long after the boy had disappeared from her life. She made a personal commitment to be more empathetic and understanding in her interactions with others. The memory of the boy's kindness and her own failure to recognize it in time became a driving force in her quest to be a more considerate and kind-hearted individual. In the end, the boy's brief visit to the shop and his generous act had a profound and lasting effect on Emily, changing her perspective on kindness and generosity forever.